Victoria Tatiana Desintonio Malavé is an Ecuadorian politician. She was elected to the 7-member Council for Citizen Participation and Social Control by popular vote, and she was later removed. She then became a member of Ecuador's National Assembly. She is a member of the political coalition Union for Hope, and she campaigns for women's rights. Desintonio was born in 1988. When she was 17, she joined the International Jubilee 2000 movement that had campaigned to cut debt in developing countries by the end of the millennium. In 2011 and 2012, she was working as an analyst. She is from Guayaquil and trained as a lawyer at the University of Guayaquil. Desintonio was elected to join the 7-member Council for Citizen Participation and Social Control for 4 years in 2019. This body's activities includes the recognition of 150 national heroes. The 6 other members elected were Maria Fernanda Rivadeneira, Sofia Almeida, Rosa Chala, José Carlos Tueres, Walter Gomez and Christian Cruz. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.